Why do some aircraft engines have a critical operating range? Some engines and propeller combinations develop resonant vibrations at certain RPMs. This critical range is marked with a red arc on the tachometer, and pilots should pass through it quickly to avoid excessive vibration. What direction does centrifugal twisting moment move the blades? It tends to move the propeller blades toward a low pitch. What about the counterweights? What direction do they move the blades? Counterweights work the opposite way. They move the blades toward a high pitch. What's the purpose of the accumulator on some Macaulay feathering propellers? It stores oil pressure during normal operation, which is later used to help unfeather the blades by moving them back toward low pitch. What does the alpha range mean on a turboprop propeller? The alpha range covers in-flight operation, from takeoff to landing. For takeoff, should an adjustable pitch propeller be set to high or low pitch? Always low pitch for takeoff to get maximum RPM and thrust. How do you prevent the front cone from bottoming out when installing a propeller on a spline shaft? You can add a spacer behind the rear cone to move the propeller slightly forward. Why are propellers indexed to the engine? Crankshaft. To minimize vibration by matching the propeller's balance point to the engine's vibration characteristics. What does the snap ring inside a propeller hub do? It lets the propeller be pulled off the shaft once the retaining nut is loosened. What are the main types of propellers? Fixed pitch, ground adjustable, constant speed, non-feathering, and constant speed feathering. What materials are propeller blades made from? They're commonly made of wood, aluminum, or composite materials. In a constant speed propeller, what adjustment changes the operating speed? Adjusting the compression on the speeder spring inside the governor. How does a Macaulay propeller feather? It feathers when oil drains out of the hub, allowing the blades to move into the feather position. What keeps it from feathering when the engine is shut down on the ground? A spring-loaded latch prevents feathering when there's no airflow. In flight, centrifugal force keeps the latch disengaged so the prop can feather if needed. How does a hydromatic propeller feather? By directing high-pressure engine oil into the propeller through the governor. How does the pilot change RPM with a constant speed propeller? The pilot moves the propeller control lever, which changes tension on the speeder spring. This causes the governor to add or remove oil from the hub, changing blade pitch and therefore RPM. What's the difference between a controllable pitch and a constant speed propeller? A controllable pitch propeller uses a manual valve to change blade pitch, while a constant speed propeller uses an automatic governor. During a magneto check on an engine with a constant speed propeller, which pitch should it be in? Low pitch. high RPM position. What's the beta range on a turboprop? The beta range is for ground operation, including starting, taxiing, and reverse thrust. What controls the blade angle in the beta range? The power lever directly controls blade angle during beta operation. Where do you find which lubricants are approved for a constant speed propeller? In the propeller's maintenance manual. How much repair work can a mechanic with a power plant rating do on a propeller? They can only perform minor repairs or alterations. Where can you find acceptable repair methods for aluminum alloy blades? In AC 43.13 to 1B, Chapter 8, Section 4, and in the manufacturer's service manuals. Can you cold straighten a bent aluminum propeller blade for shipping? No, it could cause internal damage that makes the blade unrepairable. What type of maintenance is shortening a propeller blade? That's considered a major repair. Can a transverse crack in a propeller blade be repaired? No, any transverse crack means the blade must be rejected. What minor damage can a mechanic repair? Small nicks, scratches, or roughness along the leading edge. How are those small nicks removed? By filing or stoning them out smoothly, following the blade's contour. How can you tell if a scratch is actually a crack? Clean the area into a smooth depression. Apply dye penetrant. Wipe it clean, and then spray on developer. If it's a crack, the dye will bleed out as a visible line. Who can perform major repairs to a propeller? Only an FAA approved propeller repair station certified for that specific propeller. What checks can a power plant rated mechanic perform on a propeller? They can check blade tracking and balance, remove small nicks, lubricate the hub, and ensure proper dynamic balance. What adjustment can a mechanic make on a propeller governor? They can adjust the maximum RPM stop. What tool measures blade angle? A universal propeller protractor. Where should the protractor be placed when measuring blade angle? At the blade station specified in the maintenance manual, measured from the center of the hub. What are the main steps to remove a propeller? Remove the spinner and safety wire. Support the propeller with a sling and mark its alignment to the flange. Unscrew mounting nuts, protecting the stud threads. Place the propeller safely on a cart for transport. How is a propeller aligned to the engine to reduce vibration? By using special dowel pins or studs that position the propeller in its proper orientation. Who can reduce the diameter of a type certificated propeller? Only an FAA certificated propeller repair station approved for that model. Which type certificate data sheet specifies which propeller can be installed on an aircraft? The aircraft T CDS lists the approved propellers. What does the term slave engine mean in propeller synchronization? It's the engine whose RPMs automatically match those of the master engine. How are propellers synchronized on a twin-engine airplane? A signal from the master engine's governor goes to a control box, which adjusts the slave engine's governor and fuel control to match the RPMs. How is ice prevented from forming on propeller blades? With a chemical anti-ice system that pumps an alcohol glycol mix through a slinger ring, spreading it across the blades. How is ice removed once it forms? An electrothermal desing system uses electric heating elements in rubber boots bonded to the leading edges. The timer cycles heat between propellers every 90 seconds. How can you check that propeller deser boots are working correctly? Watch the ammeter or load meter for proper current draw and fill each boot in sequence. They should all warm up evenly within the same time frame.